Go.
Good evening everyone, I'm Lokesh Patni. Welcome back. Today's workout is full body exercise where we'll be using a pair of socks as a source of resistance along with your own body weight. Today's form of exercise will consist of a more of frictional workout which will be adding a lot of resistance to your workout. Friction is where we are dragging a body part, for example lower body if you are doing, so we are dragging your socks over your floor, which will add friction, which will add to the resistance to the exercise. So let's begin with the exercise. The exercise of the day is squats. I would request you all to just stand with straight posture where your toes are pointing straight. Extend your hands, just slide outwards, squat down, again come back to the starting position. Make sure whenever you're executing this exercise, you're not lifting any of your limb, especially your legs. So you just start again with your toes pointing straight, hands will be pretty extended, shoulder level. Just drag it. As I mentioned, we are using friction also as a source of resistance. So you need to drag your legs apart. Just don't drag it too wide. Just go exactly slightly wider to your shoulder where you will be able to perform a squat. Come back. Go down. Squat. We'll be working on inner thighs along with your glutes and your front thigh muscle. Just drag your legs. Squat. Come back. Just make sure whenever I'm executing this exercise, I'm never lifting any of my leg. I'm just dragging it, performing the exercise, coming back to the start position. We'll be doing 15 repetitions for 3 sets. The exercise to follow is called lateral lunges, where you're keeping one leg and both the legs on the floor, toes pointing straight. So for example, I'll be keeping my right leg straight and I'll be moving my left leg. So what I'll be doing is I'm taking my left leg sideways, dragging it, but I'm going all the way down so that I'm working on my inner thighs and also strength on my right leg. Again, come back to the starting position. Go down, start. Good. Just maintain your tempo, don't be in hurry. Slowly go down. So while you're going down, I want you to just push your hip backwards so that your knees doesn't cross your toe. And again, come back to the start position. But throughout this exercise, your right toe will be pointing very straight. 15 repetitions for 3 sets again. Exercise to follow is called reverse lunges. You're standing with toes pointing straight, hip width apart stance. I want you to just drag your right leg behind and do a reverse lunge. Come back to the start position. You'll be dragging your right leg behind. You can repeat the same exercise on the left leg as well. Drag your left leg behind. Come back. Come to the starting position. So I'll show this exercise from the sideways angle. I'm just dragging one limb backwards so that I'm able to maintain 90 degrees on my back rear leg also plus my front leg also. Come to the starting position. We'll be doing 15 repetitions again for 3 sets. Exercise to follow is called hamstring curls. As we all know, hamstring includes a lot of hip extension with knee flexion. So we are lying down on our back. Okay. Make sure your toes are off the floor. You're only emphasizing on your heel support. Take hip width apart stance. Extend your hip. Make sure you're just using your knees to curl it inwards. The more you get your knee inwards, closer to your hips, the more you will be targeting your hamstrings. So as you're seeing, I'm just dragging my leg all the way straight and then dragging it back, just my knee, to target my hamstrings. 15 repetitions, 3 sets for this. Now we'll be moving to upper body. Let's start with push-up. So you're taking shoulder width apart stance where your wrist is exactly under your shoulder. Just drag your hands outwards. Do a proper push-up. Come to the starting position. Drag your hands outwards. Do a proper push-up where your nose touches the floor. Come back to the start position. (15 repetitions, 3 sets. Our next exercise is called lateral push-ups. In lateral push-ups, you are taking again shoulder width apart stance. If your right hand is on the floor, so you'll be dragging your left hand sideways and you're performing a push-up on your right hand. So to begin with this, take a proper push-up position. Extend your left hand sideways. Again go down. Come straight up. Make sure when you're extending your hands, your hand needs to be very straight. You're not bending your elbows at all. You have to just drag your hands all the way, as long as you're able to maintain a straight posture, touching your nose on the floor and coming back to the start position. As you're seeing, I'm extending my left hand and using my right hand to perform a shoulder push-up exercise. 15 repetitions for 3 sets. Our last exercise for the day is called abs rolling. You can take support of a pillow for your knees. Just place both the knees on the pillow. Interlock your legs from behind. Go all the way ahead where you're keeping both the hands close to each other. Wrist will be under your shoulders to begin with. I want you to extend your hands all the way front till the time you don't touch your chest to the floor. Come back to the start position. Again, go down. Or you can even touch your nose to the floor. As you're seeing, I'm only dragging my hands, touching my nose to the floor, coming back to the start position. "15 repetitions for 3 sets, but maintain your tempo, don't be in hurry." So we have completed full body exercise for the day using a pair of socks. As I mentioned in my introduction, we'll be using friction as a source of resistance along with your own body weight. So in upcoming videos, I'll be demonstrating a lot of innovative exercises which will help you to get your fitness level on track and to improve your lifestyle. This is Lokesh Patni signing off for the evening. Stay home, stay fit.